Now next is the viral for the phage replication inside the bacterium is the lysogenic cycle. Just we have already seen that there are the two ways, the lytic cycle and the lysogenic cycle, through which the bacteriophages are replicated inside the bacterium. So now is the lysogenic cycle. The lysogen or lysogenic cycle, what is the lysogen? A lysogen is the bacterium, a lysogenic bacterium is a cell wall in which the phage exists as DNA in its dormant phase, which is also called as the prophage. What is the mechanism how the virus is replicated through the lysogenic ways or through the lysogenic mechanism of the phage replication? There are different steps which are involved in the lysogenic replication. First of all, the virus genome enters inside the cell. Of course, just like any other host and virus interaction, first of all, the virus has to attach with the cell wall of the bacterium and then has to enter inside the body, has to propagate, and then viral genome integrates into the host genome. The virus genome will be integrates and the virus will take the hold of the whole machinery. The host DNA polymerase copies the viral chromosome. Of course, the virus chromosome, the host will just take it as its own body, and the viral genome will be the chromosomes will be the produced. Host cell will be divided and the viral chromosomes will be divided into the daughter cells. The virus will be produced and viral chromosomes and viral DNAs, viral nucleic acid will be produced. Now the virus is triggered and the viral genome detached and enter the lytic cycles. So after the lysogenic cycle, then the virus genome and it detached and it will be entered inside the to produce an lytic cycle, another cycle. Here is the lysogenic cycle in the viruses. We have shown it in different steps. You can see the first step, just like we have already studied, that the virus has to come in contact with the bacterium and come attaches to the surface of the bacterium. Then the virus will inject into the genetic material into the bacterial cell wall. And here is the genetic material, which can be this DNA or RNA. And then the virus will go, genetic material becomes a part of genetic material of the bacterium. Here is the genetic material of the bacterium and the virus. Here this is the virus, so it will become the part of it. After some time, the virus genetic material removes itself and become active by itself. The virus genetic material will take the hold of the machinery to replicate itself. The cell begins to produce the virus proteins and genetic material which assemble into new viruses. First of all, the different viruses genetic material is produced and then its proteins are also produced inside, and then they will assemble themselves each other to make a mature virus. The new virus crowd the bacterium finally and the cell burst. Now there the infection can be the persistent or the cell burst and virus can release inside into the environment. Similarly, there are also some other ways to show the lysogenic cycle. We can also see the difference between the lytic cycle and the lysogenic cycles. Here is the lysogenic cycle and then the lytic cycle can also be introduced. In the lysogenic cycle, the phage DNA integrates into the bacterium chromosome and become a prophage, just like we see the dormant phage. We can also say the dormant phage. It is called as prophage. Then the bacterium reproduces and copying the prophage and transmitting into the daughter cells. A large number of the daughter cells are produced in the form of the prophages. Then these prophages, the cell division produce a population of bacteria infected with the prophage. This cell division will be action and then the prophages, a large number of the prophages will be produced, or the daughter cells with the prophage, or maybe sometimes the prophage exists as the bacterium chromosome and initiate the lytic cycle. Or sometimes the bacteria disperse and the different proteins of the virus and capsid of the virus, they become together and assemble and the bacteria burst and they go inside into the environment. However, sometimes the phage circulate DNA circulation and then the certain factor determines whether there will be the lytic cycle will be induced or the lysogenic will be taken action here.